Hello everyone, welcome to Kidz Art. In today's video, we are going to draw Pichu from Pokemon. Let's start with the head first. Draw a circle. Turn the circle into sphere by making two curved lines, one vertical and one horizontal. Draw cheeks. Draw cheeks. Draw mouth. Draw eye. Draw eye. Draw U shape for the body. Draw leg. Draw leg. Draw toes. Draw toes. Draw hand. Draw hand. Detail the body. Draw ear. Draw ear. Draw tail. Draw an outline over the sketch with the marker. Let's color. Thanks for watching. To get updates, subscribe to Kidz Art.